If at any one point you're using a property called color, dot, background color, or border color, did you know you could simply write red instead of memorizing complex codes like hash FF0000? Well, that's because CSS gives us something called named colors. Named colors are a predefined set of 140 color names that CSS understands. Instead of typing out long hexadecimal codes or fiddling with RGB values, you can use simple descriptive names like blue, yellow, or even something fun like tomato. CSS includes a wide variety of name colors, from simple ones like black, white, and red, to more unique options like peach puff, cornflower blue, and chartreuse. Check these other colors out as well. These names are fun and memorable, making them perfect for casual designs or brainstorming sessions. You can use name colors anywhere a color value is expected. For example, to style text, dot-demery, backgrounds, period, or even borders.